No, shut up! Shut the fuck up! Come on, in the back! Come on! Come on!
Let us go out of here.
In the back!
Hands behind your back.
Oh, come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it.
Oh,
I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there.
Sit tight! I'll handle the blasting!
Don't blow yourself up.
What's he doing?
Listen up.
He's gonna kill us in here.
In the back. Come on. Hurry.
Shit to you.
M! Get these assholes in the closet! All set! Phone it in!
I'm calling it.
All right, we gonna do this? Show me the money!
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady.
That's the score. Oh, there's enough here for us all to enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
We gotta move. Coming out, B. Give it up! I got him!
I saw your face. I'll remember you.
You get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eyes. He's crazy.
No one's crazy. Right thing. Be cool. Fuck! You didn't have to do that.
Let's get going. There'll be time for grieving later.
Yeah, you got that right.
I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves.
Oh, fuck, you hear that? Sirens.
Fuck the cops. T, hit the shutter switch.
Move! We're coming through! Wrong profession! Dumb fucking cops!
Come on, guys!
They answered the wrong call!
Fuck these guys! What the fuck is this? Let's move. Come on.
Blame the pricks who called you out here! Can't be many more cops in this town! Bring 'em!
This is fucked, man. The thing is blown.
I got my share! It's still wide open!
Cars up here. Let's go.
Move! Come on!
The kid might have bailed. This wasn't in the job description. We got a window. Let's go.
Let's move it!
What took you so long?
Shut the fuck up and drive!
Woo! Did you see that shit? Fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that?
Yeah, you're a real stout.
Fuck, how'd that happen? Go, 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 Jeez, I think they're gonna... Fuck!
Local yokels wanted.
Guy's a dick!
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Come on, let's get to the chopper! We move quick, we can beat the train!
We're getting there.
Cops! Coming our way!
Be cool! They ain't made this car yet!
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it. Shit, shit, shit! Roadblock!
Go right! Beat the train, man!
You guys all right?
Fuck! Come on! Ditch the car, all right? We can go this way to the chopper.
No, hey! Stick to the plan.
What?
Stick to the fucking plan. Come on. Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck. I'm gonna check around back.
Ah! The fucking bed! Someone must have fucking talked!
All right, Brad's gonna be fine. We gotta get the fuck out of here. I'm hit. Oh, Jesus. T, you gotta get out of here.
I'm gonna leave you, Mikey!
Go! God, I'm not gonna be fucking gonna bleed out. Go.
No! Come on! Come on! Fucking die! All of you!
This is it! I'm on the scene.
Kill me, you pricks!
You're dying!
Die, you suckers! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Hey, you! You, hey! Where's the chopper? Fucking stay back! You come near me! She's fucking dead! Stay back! Go! Go!
Was not always a good husband, not always a good citizen. He did not die a hero's death, but he was a man. Our Lord was crucified with 2 thieves, so perhaps we should not judge. We are born of sin, and we die in sin. And in this, Michael was like anybody else. Father, we do not know your infinite mysteries, but we know that you will show mercy to our friend.
Your son, James. He's a good kid.
He's a good kid? A good kid? Why? Does he help the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our standard for goodness, no wonder this country's screwed.
And what about you?
What about me? Hey. I don't have the advantages that kid has. By the time I was his age, I'd already been in prison twice. I robbed banks. I ran whores. I smuggled dope.
And you consider them achievements?
These were the opportunities I had. At least I took them.
And where did these opportunities get you, Michael?
They got me right fucking here. The end of the road. With a big house and a useless kid, and I'm stuck talking to you because no one else gives a shit. Oh, I'm living a dream, baby. And that dream is fucked. It is fucking fucked.
Let it all out.
I think I just did.
Oh. Well, I think that's all we have time for. Same time next week?
I guess. Oh. I gotta tell you, I ain't too sure this shit is working for me.
Well, a sense of overriding futility is a vital part of the process. Embrace it.
Whatever you say, Doc. know just how you feel.
Man, shit gotta be around here somewhere.
Unless they buried it under the sand, fool. Another brilliant Lamar Davis production.
Man, fuck you. Hey, excuse me, homie. Can you tell me where Berto Beach House is?
No, homie, I cannot.
Man, would you come on? Fuck.
Actually, yeah. It's that house right there, with the yellow stairs.
Yeah. Good looking out, homie. Appreciate it.
Man, get your stupid ass on. Damn. Why don't you ask him if he knows the fucking owner? Or better yet, do some skywriting that reads there's a couple of niggas here about to boost some cars in case somebody didn't realize.
See, what you don't realize is we ain't boosting. This shit is legit business.
Legit? Oh yeah, I forgot, huh? 401ks, tax returns and all? Yeah, right.
You the one all pumped up on doing this lick, nigga. I'm getting my money in the hood. I'm straight, fool. I'm cool.
You cool? Cool what? Slinging dope and throwing up gang signs? Yeah, right.
Whatever, homie. Yeah, homie. This the spin knot right here. Your boy Simeon wasn't bullshit.
Man, get your ass in there.
Hey, bring your ass, fool. Always trying to boss somebody.
Come on. Come on. Shit, come on.
Damn. This nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?
Shit, for real, homie. Damn, this motherfucker got robo-roof and everything, nigga.
He should have paid the nizzo.
Man, you gotta grind to keep that shit. Now it's back on us.
Hell yeah, I want to see what it do. Hey, hit me on the speakerphone, Long.
Oh, it's like that? For sure, homie.
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Uh-huh. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good. Look out the way. Hey, dawg, we be doing Simeon a disservice if we ain't test these rides out.
He ain't even gonna know if they could if we don't push him to the brink. You feel me? Loco, any ticket we get gonna go on that fool license.
Well, in that case, we might as well enjoy ourselves.
Let's show these movie people how we roll. Keep bustin' low.
Please, homie.
What the fuck?
Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Down this dirty mother.
Yeah, cool, homie.
Left here.
All right.
Keep up, homie.
Hey, screw you too, homie.
I'm thinking left.
Okay.
Damn, dog, how much we getting for these repos? I'm gonna be one reluctant motherfucker giving this up.
Man, there's enough bad credit going around, homie. It's like it's an endless supply in this fucked up ass country.
I'm schooling your ass, boy.
Hey, I'll come at you from the shoulders, homie.
Left through the parking lot.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, homie, come on.
I'm gonna tell you, boy, Simmy. About this shit. Come on, Frank.
Yeah. What you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
Whatever, nigga. I'll let something flow through your ass.
Dog, I ain't too sure that joke works, dog.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit, the one time.
Be cool, fool. We got the paperwork.
Whatever, you explain that shit. I'll see you at the dealership.
Explain that shit my ass.
parking lot with sports cars. Vehicle reported stolen. Officers report a person resisting arrest. Tower Street. Officers have lost sight of the suspect. Code 4, all units return to patrol.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. You are all the same. You're disgusting. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man. I don't say that.
You fucking right, and you better keep it right, because this man right here, he's an international businessman, a multiculturalist.
That I could not have said better myself. But seriously, maybe he's not a racist. But I don't think that he is man enough for a car like this.
Wait a second.
This guy right here, him, get him a hybrid. That's a real man's car.
I think you are right, Lamar. You get a tax rebate. I understand. Money is an issue, eh?
Money isn't an issue.
This is the best part. Watch this when he reel him in. He gonna get all his full money. Watch this.
Look, man, I gotta go. Hey, Simeon, I'm out. I'll holler at you, homie.
It's the best part, man.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie?
Downtown, it's like the last dance or your last chance. When I reach the finish line.
I'm gonna knock a bad, grown, and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat eye.
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise, with all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Oh, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?